Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. In the local market for good X, the equilibrium quantity at a price of $5 is found by adding the amounts each buyer wants to. Buy 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 equals 8 units. A labeled graph shows a flat supply curve at $5 for elastic supply and down. Demand intersecting at a quantity of 8. If the price rises to $7, the new market quantity demanded is 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 equals 4. Units. The price elasticity of demand using the midpoint formula is PED equals absolute 4 minus 8 over 6 divided by 7 minus 5 over 6, which equals 2. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.